Let's face it, these old Volkswagens aren't the safest cars on the road. We're going to do a quick fix that might make them safer. This is about the brake lights. They don't come on as soon as you touch the pedal like modern cars do. There's a significant lag.
Unlike modern cars, there is no brake switch on the pedal itself. If there was, the lights would come on as soon as your foot touches the pedal. On these old Volkswagens, the lights come on when there's enough pressure applied here at the brake master cylinder. And these are the switches that turn them on. This is a brake light switch designed for a Harley-Davidson motorcycle. It activates at a much lower pressure. So in theory, our brake light should come on sooner with less foot pressure on the pedal. We're going to replace what we have with this and then measure the distance the pedal goes down before the lights come on. To measure it, we're going to take the tape measure, put it on the same spot I have marked on the firewall or bulkhead to a mark I have on the pedal. And I can't see it because it's too dark. I need another light. And Mary is standing behind and she's going to tell me the microsecond that the brake lights come on. Let's pump them up a little bit. So we started at 7 inches and a 32nd. Tell me as soon as they come on.
Now.
Okay, that's 4 3/4. Do it again.
Now.
That's 4 7/8. Do it again.
Now.
4 7/8. We're going to go with that. Now there are 2 switches on the master cylinder. I asked the experts on the Samba, of course, which part of the master cylinder would build pressure quickest, and they said it doesn't matter, either or. So I'm just going to change out the front one because that one is easier to get to. So I'll unplug it, and I have 3 wires on my switches because I do have a low pressure warning light on the dash. But unfortunately, we won't be able to use that on this front part of the master cylinder anymore. But that's all right. I tell you what, if I lose brake pressure, I think I'll know it right away. Now hopefully, brake fluid will come out. That will tell me that there's no air getting in to where I'd have to bleed them. Okay, we're gonna pump it up first. Move that light out of my way. Okay, ready, Mary?
Ready.
Okay, here we go. Starting out the same position, 7 30 or so. Tell me when.
Now.
That is 5 1/8. Let's try it again. Oh, this is awkward. I can't. There we go. Okay, this is better. Tell me when.
Now.
Okay, that's about 5. Okay, tell me when.
Now.
5. So, after all that, we only gained, we lessened the pedal throw by 1/8 of an inch. I don't think it's worth it.
How much did you pay for it?
I think it was about $15 on Amazon, so not too
learn.
bad. Now there is somebody who sells a kit where you can put an actual brake light switch on the pedal itself. I'm thinking that's the way to go instead of this motorcycle sending unit on the master cylinder, but that's just our opinion. So even though we didn't get the results we wanted, we hope you found this video helpful.
If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and we hope you consider subscribing.
Thanks for watching.